Hi everyone. Can't see Instagram comments? Don't worry. Here are some simple fixes you can try. So, let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the control center. Turn on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off again. Now open Instagram and see if the comments are back. If not, update the Instagram app. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, tap on it. Once updated, open the app again and check. Still not working? Try clearing cache or offloading the app. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Find Instagram, tap on it, and select Offload App. Then reinstall it and check again. If the issue continues, reinstall the app completely. Delete Instagram from your phone. Go back to the App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram, and install it again. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.